aftermath of a weekend with Rob. I should say one day up by Rob. This is already after I've washed for 2.5, 3 hours, probably 4 hours. I finally got the skid plate off. Trashed. Fender flare is gone. Thank God for lifts. Yep, that is a soybean growing. Oh, there's a couple of them. Oh, here's a big one. Smells awesome. Looks fantastic. Unbelievable. It sure was fun though. What are you gonna do? Nothing but enjoy it. This piece, I don't know where it came from, but it was on top of the skid plate. I guess in Shorewood Home and Auto. The fine work those individuals do. She's looking good.